Morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the next video. Up on tree, I'm gonna check about the tree what see me. Anyways, today in the video, we'll make some ackee taco, right? And we'll use breadfruit and make the taco today. So you can stay tuned for that. I want to know if you just leave a like on the video, but then comment below and tell me what you think about this video. I want to share the video, help me grow, help the channel grow. Subscribe if you're new and follow the IG Jeff876 and Health Adventures. The link to the two pages them down below in the description. So scroll down, click it and give me a follow. So first thing I'm gonna do, pick two apple, even though the chicken wet still. Then pick the fruit, then pick the ackee. And I bring you along the journey with me. So come in, man. Let's do this. Let's go as a family people. Let's be one big happy family on YouTube. So just share the video, man, and help me grow. So guys, apple. Enough apple and tree what they must spoil off due to the rain. So nice black one right here. So guys, I pick that breadfruit here. Either the one here or the one here. So right now I'm gonna chew with my phone. See me? Yeah, man. So I'm the other breadfruit tree over here. So guys, I wanted a fit breadfruit. I want a breadfruit way can roast. I don't really want to use one way to boil, right? I want a whole fit breadfruit. You see me? So keep my look right now, but if you can't find that, I have to pick one way. Can boil and done. Because right now the tree I feel up slow. I don't know because I was still winter same way, but it has to step slow. So pick a breadfruit now and jump out the tree can fast. And do my food because this taco break fast, right? Yes, I'm soon come back. See it here, guys. Nice boiling breadfruit. So I wash this off now and then I pick the ackee. Alright guys, I'm gonna use then to put a bamboo here. Cut it down in some strips, use and oil breadfruit in a taco shape. You see me? Yeah man guys, so see them here now. So I try now peel breadfruit. Yeah guys, so this is the water on the fire now, salt water. When it's that boil up, I'm gonna use this to cook ackee and take out some soup on the breadfruit. Make the breadfruit get soft and flexible. You see me? See the ackee here and the breadfruit here, so time now to peel the breadfruit. Nice. And guys, you want to cut it with a sharp knife. It's easy to cut. See? So much water on it now, it'll get flexible and can bend easy. Then let's prepare it now with my fry same way. Alright, so then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? Them here now. I'll just fry them same way and eat them. Yeah. So as soon as the water add, I'm gonna take it off on the gas. Right now the water at it. Ackee in the pot. And guys, this is the warm water. And say at this warm water I make the breadfruit get flexible. Right? So put in warm water. And salt also in the water guys. You don't put too much salt because you don't want breadfruit get salt. I can't eat it. So you want this clean water now for about 2 minutes. Yeah. So I'm checking back on you guys when time is finished. In the pan here, I just spin them after a minute or so. Yeah man. I mean we can cover it up. Say steam chopping it. Yeah, that method we can cover it up. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm take them out of the water and dry them off. So you can use paper towel dry them off or a dish towel or whatever you have. So you see, let's put them here guys. So time to bend them. But them here now, I now bother fry them now. I used to use the something else so and you can stay tuned for that. Yeah, so this can do what I have to do. So I'm going to look at next breadfruit. Yeah man. So I'm going to show you what you can do the waste after I cut out them here. So time now, bend them up. See that here now guys, Ackee finish cook now. So time now, this feel like cut too thick. Yeah, so as soon as it's fry, we can draw the stick. When it's fry now, it will get hard and not pull back. Yeah, simple and easy. Remember guys, when I cut them, you can cut them too thick. So that's one of the problem with them here, because some of them cut too thick. Or the first time I have to say but yeah, learn as I go along. So next time I know exactly what to do. Put in them guys. Yes guys, so just some 2 leave back my butter fry. Yeah, easy. But it's 2 problem. When you are putting the stick in it, you squeeze it till 2 of them touch, because when you go in oil, it'll take the release out. So you don't want to split between them one time release out, you get flat like them, but it's still alright, still. You see me? And again too, the next thing, me think say best to fry in a deep fryer, so the oil cover every entire thing. Yeah, because our cut and thin as possible is easy to fry. Because when you stick in it, if I try to turn it so, turn it on each side to each side get to fry. You see me? Yeah, so I take out the 2 now and then put an Ackee, and then I'll come back and show you how I go on. So alright guys, so since Ackee are done, yeah, forgive me for the sweet pepper, right? I want to get a piece of onion and tomato. I'm going to go on the road now and go buy some of that. Onion, tomato, scale and thyme and all that. Right? So, I'm sure we'll go on now. And no saltfish on this because the vegan style today. No saltfish. Yeah, so that is it. Guys want to like the video, no? Share it out and leave a comment. Leave a thoughts below. Down in the phone guys. So take a bite. Yeah. Don't really broke, guys. So I'm telling you, when I put it in the oil, it's that open up back. I'm gonna try to squeeze together. So it broke. Yeah. Yeah, man. Comment below and tell me what you think, guys, and share the video. Help us grow. Road to 1K, guys. And subscribe and subscribe it. And follow the IG, Jeff A76 and Yes Adventures. Link below. So click it, go over there and give me a follow. Alright, guys, I eat it now. And all that. Nice, but if you're more crispy, I'm gonna say, if you're gonna deep fry, that better. If I add more oil, that better. So, and cut it thin. Yeah. So yeah, man, good seeing you still. I'm gonna say, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe.